Hello again guys, in this video I will show you how to add Google reviews to Wix website. First, go to sociablekit.com and then sign up if you don't have any account in SociableKit. Then if you have already registered, then click this login button. Choose or type your registered email address as well as the password, and then click login. After that, choose the widget type. We will choose the Google reviews by typing Google reviews. Then choose this Google reviews. Then enter your Google place here. For example, Manila, Philippines. And click. And then scroll down below and click next. Then click this, and after that click this embed on website. Then choose the website builder. We'll click or choose Wix. Then after that we will copy this link and then go to your Wix website editor, and here click the add elements and choose embed code. Here we will embed a site. Click this option and then reposition or resize your embed HTML here. Okay, and then click enter website address and then paste here the copied link a while ago from sociablekit.com. We will paste it here and then click apply. And then we will see our output. Click the preview button. And as you can see, the Google reviews will appear soon. Please check back later. Okay, once it is done loading, you will see here the Google reviews in your Wix website. That's it guys. I hope this video helped you a lot. Thank you.